Today I'll do a tongue twister challenge with my friends. Each of them will get a line and they have to repeat it 3 times. So let's get going. At first, we have the most aesthetic person in our batch, Raihan. So Raihan, your line is red lorry, yellow lorry.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry.
Well, that's great. Thank you, Raihan. Now I have the most handsome boy in our batch, Baki Billah. So Baki, your line is, she sells seashells by the seashore.
He sells seashells by the seashore. He sells seashells by the seashore. He sells seashells by the seashore.
Well done, Baki. That's beauty with brain. Now we have the class representative of our batch, Abidur Rahman. So Abid, your line is, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
Oh, well done. That was a big line and Abid did well. So that's all for today. Try these tongue twisters to improve your fluency and pronunciation. If you're new to this page, please follow. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe my channel.